Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Aloe vera shampoo is made from aloe vera gel or aloe vera gel from materials extracted from the natural aloe vera plant, and contributes to treating many skin and hair problems, since it contains many important nutrients for the body, such as vitamins C, E, fibers, pectin, flavonoids, and others. It must be pointed out that aloe vera has many uses, as it is used in the preparation of some types of foods and drinks, in addition to the manufacture of some types of shampoos, which contributes to preserving hair, given that it does not contain harmful chemicals compared to industrial shampoos. And in this article we will introduce you to methods of making shampoo aloe vera. Aloe vera shampoo with coconut oil ingredients, a quarter cup of natural aloe vera gel. The price for a teaspoon of citric acid. A quarter of a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Preparation: remove the hard outer skin of the aloe vera plant by slitting it lengthwise from the outside until the gel appears. Scoop out a quarter cup of aloe vera gel using a spoon. Put the aloe vera gel in a bowl, add vitamin E oil, coconut oil, and citric acid, and stir well. Put the mixture in an airtight glass container, and keep it in the refrigerator until use. Aloe vera shampoo with glycerin ingredients: a quarter cup of aloe vera gel. A quarter cup of olive oil soap. Half a tablespoon of large glycerin. A quarter tablespoon of vegetable oil. A few drops of any essential oil. A few drops of any herbal oil, such as tea tree oil. How to prepare: put vegetable oil in a bowl, add aloe vera gel, olive oil soap, and glycerin, and stir well. Put the herbal oil and essential oil into the mixture, and stir well. Put the mixture in an airtight bottle, shake it well, and leave it until use. Aloe vera hair mask ingredients: 2 leaves of the aloe vera plant. Half a lemon. Preparation: cut 2 leaves from the aloe vera plant, and split the top layer of it, to extract the gel. Take a layer of gel from an aloe vera leaf, put it in the bowl of an electric mixer, add lemon juice to it, run the mixer for a minute, put it in a bowl, and apply it on the hair for 1/3 of an hour, then wash it with water. Benefits of aloe vera shampoo for hair: increases hair growth, because it contains enzymes that contribute to promoting its growth. Reduces itching and dryness of hair. It fights some scalp problems such as dandruff and scalp infections. Fights brittle hair. Reduces the percentage of excess oils in hair, especially oily hair. Treats hair loss. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.